Okay, I'm getting ready to pull the cups on these 3 tiles. I've got a lot of paint left over, so I'm probably going to do these and a couple more. Whoa, look at that guy. I think sorry, I got all quiet there because I was concentrating. There was a lot of neat looking cells and I poured off a lot of color, but I kind of like the way that looks too. So I think we're all right there. I was going to use an edge catcher, but you know what? I have paint on my hands does not bother me. Of course, it bothers a lot of other people. Me, not so much. My dogs have pushed the door open. They heard me talking and thought I was loving on one of the other ones, I guess. Wow, I like that. These are going to look really nice. And this one looks completely different than the other two. So that would be nice to kind of put in the middle of a trio there. Okay, I'm going to wipe my hands on this towel and torch just, I think I'm going to torch this bit and that bit. These look pretty good. But, look, I'm going to do it anyway. This, I'm not too thrilled about. So, excess paint right here, I'm going to pour across. And then let's do this as well. I didn't like how that looked. Pretty nice. Alright, I'm going to pause this and we'll bring over some other tiles. Okay, the good thing about using tiles is if you have some yucky ones that you don't like, these actually are some that I've done with resin on top that I didn't care for, but I've kept them because if you soak them in warm water for several hours, then you can just peel everything right off and start all over again. So I'm actually going to mix the paint, pour the paint while we are on camera. This is so soothing to me and so relaxing. If I could just do this and make a living at doing things like this, it would be one thing. But I also am a photographer and have a studio downstairs in my basement. Take family photos and things like that. So I really enjoy doing that as well, especially all the little babies. Gotten to know some wonderful people in my town. And I've got to see some kids grow up and move on to big kids school, things like that. So that's exciting. Let's see, did I do any gray? Yes I did, I know I did. Okay, let's see what this little guy looks like. I don't have any more red. There's a pink, and I'm not really thrilled with bubblegum pink, but let's do it anyway. Let's use this cup. Splodge a little black in there. Some white. Let's do some pink. I'm gonna let this overflow because I know I've got too much in there, but I want to mix that a little bit. I know this is gonna overflow. Let's overflow it on this one maybe. Alright. Flip that guy over. Now let's undo this one. No edge catchers for me. I just use my fingers. Okay. I like how that white looks. I really don't have enough white on that one. There goes some cells over the edge. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this guy. Get rid of a lot of that pink. I'm not a big pink fan. All my kids were girls, and all the clothing was pink that they had to offer for newborn babies. And it's so frustrating because I thought, why is everything pink? So many beautiful colors out there, and you want to dress your babies all in a pink? Nope. Not for me. Okay. Now that's going to continue to change. I think I'm going to, let's torch this right there and then leave the rest. Wow, see how that opened up right there? Pretty cool. Maybe torch that. That opened up some blue. Let's torch this pink. I'm still not so thrilled with that pink area. Well, it's not bad. I'm not a big fan of the pink. So let's do this. Take some of that out. I don't like that spot right there. I don't really that right there either. This is my fave, I believe. Alright, let's just let that work. And I am going to turn off the camera and probably end this video. And then tomorrow we can look at the ones we've done so far and see what you think. And then maybe